I'm Kels, and today we're going to be doing the
Hey, I am so lonely conversation with people.
yeah, so stay tuned. Are you on the phone?
Yes.
Oh, darn.
Question?
I'm so lonely.
I don't know if I can help with that.
You can't help. I'm lonely. I don't know.
Your friend's over there sitting by herself.
Well, she's boring.
Boring. That's gonna hurt her feelings.
Okay.
Shouldn't call her boring.
I don't know. How do you make friends here?
Well, I don't go to school here. I'm just kind of waiting for my friend to get out of class.
Ah,
But from what he tells me, is that everyone's pretty friendly. So,
everyone's friendly, so I just talk to people like, hey,
yeah. So, hey, what's up?
I'm lonely.
Yeah, I guess. I mean,
So that's all?
yeah.
Hey, I'm lonely. That's it? I don't know. Like, hi, what's up? That's it?
Like, insert yourself into their conversations.
So just jump in, like, start laughing?
Yeah. I mean, they
Like, ha!
they'll think you're interesting to keep you around. It works out like half the time.
Yeah,
It's pretty
okay.
high rate.
I'll try that.
Yeah.
Thank you.
No worries.
Thank you. Hi.
Hi.
I'm so lonely.
What? Hi. Well, I'm David. What's your?
Hi, I'm Melissa.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Hey, how are you?
I'm
Do you have-
good. How
Do you
are
have advice on how to make friends?
Oh, I'm not good at that.
So, you're lonely too?
I guess, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. I guess.
What are you new at UML?
Yeah, I'm a freshman.
Oh, that's cool. Well,
No.
Did you declare a major yet?
Yeah. Business management. It's cool.
Yeah.
What about you?
This is like my 4th year. I bounced around like 90.
Nice. Yeah.
I'm doing sociology now.
So you're probably like very popular. Are you?
Not really, no.
No? Yeah. I guess. All right.
I
Well,
don't know. I'm not like super good at like talking to new people, I guess.
so you just ignore people?
I mean, I don't ignore them. I don't know.
Like everybody ignores each other.
Yeah, I feel like that's like a huge
American thing?
Yeah, what? Are you from like a different country?
No.
But yeah, I feel like everyone at college in like the Northeast is just kind of
Lonely?
doing their own thing and
Yeah.
never like approaches anybody.
Right. It's kind of not nice. Yeah. All right. Well, I guess I'll just stay lonely. Thank you, David.
But your name was Rachel, right?
Melissa.
Oh, Melissa. I the worst name. Sorry. I'll come up and talk to you if I ever see you around here again.
Thank you, David. Thank you.
Okay.
Have a good one. Hi. Are you going on the bus? Are you going on the bus?
Eventually.
You're going on this bus? Oh,
maybe that
okay.
one, I don't
I thought you were going towards the bus, and I don't want you to miss the bus.
Oh, okay, sorry.
I don't know. I'm just really lonely.
Lonely?
Like so lonely. I don't know how people go about.
What kind of lonely are you?
What do you mean?
Like, what kind of lonely are you? Answer that question.
Like a lonely human.
Human lonely?
Like
you
nobody,
need-
everybody ignores each other.
Like, you need Christ lonely, or are
No.
you looking for a man lonely?
No, like both. No.
Are you looking for a friend lonely?
Yeah, that
A
one.
friend lonely?
A friend lonely.
Alright.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah.
Well,
How do you make friends? Do you have advice? I don't know.
yeah, I got some advice. As long as you get in the case.
Sure.
You get friends by joining a group or a club.
Like a club.
Yeah.
Do you recommend any clubs?
Yeah, CSF.
See, what's that?
Christian Student Fellowship.
That's so cool.
Yes.
Christian?
Yes.
Oh, my religion is, my family's Christian, but I'm like everything.
Oh, don't worry about it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not a problem. If you want, I could invite you to our weekly meeting. There's about 60, 80 students to show up every week, and we get together, we sing music,
That's so cool.
and read the Bible together.
So, yeah, that's really cool. That way I won't be lonely. Like, I don't want to be like in my dorm room getting fat, you know? I want to be productive.
Let me tell you something, right?
I don't want to gain the freshman 15.
No, you don't. Look, life is really difficult, all right? And you want to play around. There's a lot of things out there that get you down, get you sad and depressed, you know, and no one's really trying to play games with you. People are going to mess with you and use you and abuse you, right? You don't want to be dealing with all that, right?
You're so nice. Yes.
Yeah. So, look, when you find a group of friends, it might not be my club or whatever club, make sure people treat you right. You
Thank
understand
you.
that?
Yes.
Yeah?
Thank you. Can I have a hug?
Sure.
You're so sweet. Thank you. Like that just made my life. Like, what's up, my girl?
Hi.
I'm so lonely right now.
Wait.
I'm so lonely right now. I don't know what to do with myself.
Yeah.
It
Did
sucks.
you just get out of class?
Yeah, it's really whack to be alone sometimes, you know?
Yeah.
I just thought I'd come up to you because I'm like feeling really lonely right now, like extremely, like to the max.
Wait.
Like I don't know if I should go to the library or if I should go eat or if I should like talk to someone random. So I just came up to you, you know?
Yeah.
You're really pretty.
Thank you. You too.
Thanks.
What major are you?
I am criminal justice.
What else is-
Yeah, so I don't have like, you can't really do too much fun, you know, with that. I mean, I look fun,
You do.
but it's hard to have fun when you're in criminal justice, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You like it so far? Like your classes? Your
I mean,
okay.
life brings you lemons, right? So you got to make lemonade, right? Right?
right.
So that's why I'm here sitting with you because right now I have no lemons to speak with. So, you know, yeah. But I like your necklace. You look really nice.
Okay, my mom gave this to me when I was like 5 years old. I've been wearing it since then.
Wow. You think we could be friends? Because I'm really lonely all the time.
If you want to, yeah, sure.
I'm Kelsey.
I'm Kathy.
I do hugs.
You do hug.
Where do you live?
I live at Foxhall.
Oh, word. I live in Concordia.
Do you like it there?
Yeah, it's okay. I mean, there's a lot of
Is the room big?
people that judge you and stuff. So, I mean, that's why I kind of talk to, like, that's pretty much why I don't have a lot of friends because I don't trust anyone and everyone's like judging, you know?
Yeah.
So, that's why I'm here talking to you because I'm lonely for not trusting and everyone being a judger, you know?
Yeah. I
So,
really like those people.
Yeah, those people are very disrespectful and rude. So, I'm trying to learn not to curse as well. So, that's probably another reason why people don't really talk to me because I'm like a big cursor. I'm Italian and Israeli, so I speak a lot of like, you know, fangul, like, you know, foda, you know? So, but yeah, my girl, God bless you. So, you were just now on my YouTube channel and that was fake, my girl.
Fake my girl.
No, this was all just a video.
Oh.
Can I have a hug? Woo! I'm so lonely right now. Can you be my friend?
I can be your friend.
Oh, don't let go forever. Forever and ever.
I gotta go to class.
No, I'm so lonely. I don't know what to do right now. Yeah, I don't know if I should go drink and smoke my pot or if I should go study. You know? Study? Why? I'm too beautiful to study. Aren't I too beautiful? That's true. Beauty and brains, right? Woo. I need to go stretch. I'm Kelsey. What's your name? Oh, Julian? That was my first boyfriend's name.
Really?
That I fell deeply in love with.
Oh my goodness.
That means we're meant to be. I'm so lonely. You need to pursue my goals and dreams right now, alone, with me.
So that's a little much.
Yeah? But I am a lot. I am a lot, no? Come.
I gotta go to class.
You do?
Yeah.
You have a girlfriend?
No, but I gotta go to class.
Oh, that sucks.
Yeah.
That's okay. Well, God bless you.
God bless you.
Thank you for fulfilling my loneliness for the last few minutes.
Yes, you're welcome.
And I'm going to try and go be active and be not lonely.
I feel you. Go find
So, you were just on my YouTube channel. So, do you mind if you're on my YouTube page? That was all an act.
Okay.
Woo, was I good?
Who's filming? Her?
My best friend. Do you like it? I am Kelsey, and I am very lonely right now. What do? I'm trying to stay calm because I don't know if I'm looking fat right now in this chair. I'm gonna stand. So right now I have class in like 40 minutes and I have no one to talk to. So that's why I'm sitting next to you guys. I'm so fucking lonely. What the fuck should I do right now? I mean, it's either I go and smoke some weed or I go and like drink or study. And I'd rather not, so that's why I'm here. You guys are so sweet.
What are you studying? What class do you have?
I am a Spanish communications major.
I have a few friends. I'm from New York. Yeah, but I don't like sitting here because my fat's sticking out. So like, it's really not making me look too flashy. I don't know. I'm gonna stand because I'm a weirdo.
No worries, it's okay, you can sit.
No, I feel fat.
You're comfortable, be yourself, that's fine.
You're so sweet.
You don't have to. It's okay.
You guys are so nice. What do you do when you're lonely?
When I'm lonely?
Yeah. Do you go up to random people like me?
No.
Because I'm a f***ing weirdo for that, right?
I sit in game on my phone.
So I'm not a weirdo.
No, you're not.
I like you guys so f***ing much, you know that? You guys are the coolest people I've talked to all day, you know that?
Oh, really?
That's no joke. People are staring at me, and I don't give two mother f***s, you know that? And I curse a lot. I have a cursing problem.
They are going to either ways. So,
True that.
they'll give it that.
What's your guys' major? Word.
So, the MBA.
Oh,
Marketing.
nice. Well, I'm really good at that.
Oh,
I'm
and what?
at marketing.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah,
How's that?
because right now you are on video. Because Hey, I'm so lonely right now. I don't know what to do with myself right now. It sucks. What should I do? I don't know if I should go to the library or if I should go, you know, hang around with my friends out in Lowell. You know, it's hard when you have no money and you're hungry and you're lonely. You become lonely, you know what I mean? What do you advise me to do today?
I would suggest going and studying in the library.
Should I stretch because I have a bad back?
Feel free.
But I don't want to be alone doing it. Can you join me? Right now.
I've got to go get food. So
Oh,
I'll see you.
okay. Well, God bless you. Wait. We were making a YouTube video. That's why I just did that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.